Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey where the trades were. Unbelievably, on this bull run that we're having, pre-market, the stock gapped up $2 to the 488.5 area. All we had to do once market opened was wait for the bulls to set their trap. The early bears were squeezed as price got and reached the 487 level, which has been acting as a magnet for the past couple of days. At this area, the bulls then regained control as they squeezed the early bears. After the early bears were squeezed, we knew in order to get the price higher, there was going to need a liquidity grab, was going to have to happen. The only question was, where was it going to happen? After this exhaustion move here, I then saw the bears at this wick planning their attack. I joined the bears as well with the bulls who decided to take some profits. Of course, the bulls were allowing this price to come down in order to build the liquidity, squeezing the bears who stay on too long to covering, because bear covering is buying, and that buying will take us potentially to new highs. Nonetheless, it was a very easy and tranquil trade as we got in a 490 put, took it right to VWAP. Anytime you short above VWAP, you have to cover above VWAP. Shout out Bao, shout out Alex. Well guys, that is the recap for today. It's Friday and I will not be taking any other trades. Study hard, use this weekend to catch up on the candlestick videos so that you will be prepared come Monday morning when we go live at 9:25 so you can see what you've learned live in action. Thank you for joining us. Bye for now.